Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $300 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $300, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3 Drone 48MP 4K. Upgraded with a Sony 48MP 1/2-inch stacked CMOS image sensor, this device achieves remarkable performance enhancements. Its wider dynamic range and superior sensitivity delicately capture diverse light and shadow levels, ensuring detailed recording in any lighting condition. Featuring latest generation AI ISP chip, achieving 400% higher signal-to-noise ratio than FIMI X8 Mini V2. Delivering stunning night scenes even in low light. Equipped with the latest SoLink HD digital transmission technology, provides high-definition real-time video streaming, covering a range of 9 kilometers. It supports dual-band switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Advanced encoding and decoding optimization techniques significantly reduce transmission latency to just 120 milliseconds, ensuring stable and smooth video transmission, delivering an immersive flying experience for users. Utilizing groundbreaking 8K resolution time-lapse photography technology, it captures and presents every frame of flowing time with exquisite clarity at up to 8,000 by 6,000 pixels, effortlessly crafting breathtaking time-lapse masterpieces. Experience high frame rate video recording in 4K/60 FPS. Capturing every dynamic moment with lossless precision. Enjoy smoother motion scenes, higher resolution, and frame rates, providing ample room for advanced post-processing and lossless zooming. Sleek and lightweight design, weighing only 250 grams, with no training or permits required in most areas. Sized like a smartphone, incredibly portable, and easily foldable for convenient storage, allowing you to enjoy flying pleasure anytime, anywhere. Number 2. ZLL-SG 909 Drone Professional 3-Axis. If you need Aliexpress standard shipping, you can choose the version with 1 battery. Packages with more than 2 batteries cannot pass the Aliexpress security check, and we will ship by other logistics methods. The drone is shipped by Aliexpress standard shipping, and the extra battery is shipping by another logistics method. The extra batteries are dangerous and can only be sent through a special line, and the logistics status is not updated to Aliexpress pages. If you wish to track your package, you are advised to contact us. We will write low price on the parcel, but we don't have responsibility to share the customs duty. Please note when using the battery, when the battery is dead, it must be charged in time to ensure that the battery has surplus power. If the battery is completely empty, the battery will not be able to charge. When charging the battery, disconnect the connection from the remote control drone. Be sure to take the battery out to charge it separately. If you do not use the remote control drone, please disconnect the battery from the wire of the remote control drone. Absolutely do not connect and fully charge the battery, otherwise it will damage the battery. Before using, please read the product manual carefully. It can solve more than 95% of the operational problems you need to know. It is forbidden to choose indoor environment with many obstacles for the first flight. Number 3. KF104 Max 2 FPV Drone 4K 3-Axis Brushless Stabilization Gimbal Plus is electronic stabilization. Shooting video is more stable. 6 km digital video transmission increases flight distance, and large capacity battery extends flight time. There are 2 types of remote control devices to choose from. GPS one-click return to the takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. Identify the object and automatically follow the flight within a 1 to 3 meters distance from the aircraft. Make photo gestures, camera gestures in front of the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center of the surround, and then move the desired radius through the rocker. Single or multiple selections to share photos. Video can only be transferred once. 11.4 volts pluggable intelligent lithium battery. Number 4. SG906 Max 3 Professional 4K Drone 3-axis. The remote control has a built-in relay device to enhance the remote control and image transmission signals, compensate for signal attenuation, and make the distance between remote control and image transmission longer and the signal more stable. Through visual scanning to detect whether there is an obstacle in the forward direction of the aircraft, the remote control will send an alarm if an obstacle is detected within 10 meters, and the drone will automatically hover and cannot move forward. 1 key GPS return to the takeoff point, low power return, and no signal return. GPS Smart Follow, Fixed Point Orbit, Multi-Point Planning Flight, 1 key skyrocketing, Gradual Distance, Spiral Ascending Aircraft Retrieval Function. Number 5. XILO-19 Touchscreen 3-axis Drone 6 km. With combination of GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, image positioning and altitude hold mode, the drone can hover more stably both indoor and outdoor, makes flight more stable and easy to control. GPS location and auto return home make you without worry about losing the drone. The intelligent flight modes enable the drone to fly automatically, such as GPS Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest Flight, Trajectory Flight, allow you to enjoy the creative fun of free flight. Flight app also offers more comprehensive fun features. You can share your adventure with just one tap. Brushless motors provide a more quiet but powerful flight compared to brushed motors, enable more stable and fast drone flights, and have a longer lifetime. The RC quadcopter has protective propeller guards to ensure a safe flight for you. High quality ABS material to free your worries of a sudden shock or drop.